In this video, I will show you how to create a Booking.com account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and create an account on Booking.com, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Booking.com website. Now, once you come across to the website, if you look towards the top, you've got a register button up here. So what you want to do is give that a click. And then what you can do is either sign up with an email address or alternatively, you can sign up with a Google, Apple or Facebook account. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my email address. So I'm going to enter that into here and then click onto the blue continue with email button. At this point, a verification code is going to be sent to that email address. So you just want to enter that code into this screen here. Once that's done, click onto the blue verify email button underneath. Once that's done, you've now got your account with Booking.com, and by doing this, you get access to discounts and promos and things like that. So they have a program called Genius. As you can see, in my case, I've just unlocked level 1, which gives me 10% off select stays, 10% discounts on select rental cars, and flight price alerts. At this point, just come down and click the blue OK button to get rid of this pop-up, and you are now good to go. Your Booking.com account is now ready. You can see information at the top by clicking up here and clicking onto my account. And from here, you can find all your different rewards and promo codes, and you can start using Booking.com to book flights, holidays, and whatever services you need on the website. So that's how to create a Booking.com account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.